In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet for beginners. If you're just getting started or need a refresher, this is the perfect place to be. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Meet. You can easily access it by typing in meet.google.com in the address bar. Once you arrive at the Google Meet homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's simple and user-friendly, which is great news if you're just starting out. On the main page, you'll see a button that says New Meeting. Go ahead and click on that. As soon as you do, a drop-down menu will appear with a few options. You can choose to create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or schedule one in Google Calendar. For now, let's focus on starting an instant meeting, which is the quickest way to get connected with others. Once you've clicked to start an instant meeting, you'll notice your camera and microphone will start to activate. You'll be prompted to allow Google Meet to use your camera and microphone. It's essential to click allow so that your participants can see and hear you. This is a great time to check that your camera is capturing you at the right angle and that your microphone is picking up your voice clearly. Proper framing and clear audio make a significant difference in the quality of any virtual meeting. With your meeting started, on the screen you'll find several handy controls at the bottom. You can mute or unmute your microphone and turn your camera on or off using the respective buttons. If at any time you need to leave or end the meeting, simply click the red phone receiver icon. Remember that leaving doesn't end the meeting unless you're the last one in it. Now let's talk about joining a meeting set up by someone else. If you're given a meeting code or link, simply return to the Google Meet homepage. In the entry field that says enter a code or link, paste the code or link provided. After entering, click join. This connects you to the meeting instantly. If prompted, you might be asked to knock to join. When you do, the meeting host will receive a notification to let you in. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the basics of using Google Meet, whether you're hosting or joining a meeting. With these tools in your digital toolbox, you'll be able to connect with friends, family and colleagues effortlessly. Thanks for watching and happy meeting.